You join me today on this bright and sunny day in Glenfield, where I have the pleasure of presenting you with this 3-bedroom semi-detached property. The property has recently been extended and benefits from a family-friendly layout throughout. I'm Dipal Mehta and this is 5 Staining Crescent. Come on in, let's take a look inside. The garden has to be one of my most favourite parts of this property. You've also got this area to this side which is really diverse and can be used throughout all seasons. You've also got a single garage as well as an outdoor office space. The garden has been maintained to a very high standard. Step inside and you're greeted with a lovely entrance hall area. To the left you have a spacious lounge. The lounge provides access to the wonderful kitchen diner area, which also offers a second reception area overlooking the garden. This modern kitchen was extended recently and has an integrated fridge, freezer and dishwasher. There's also a separate utility area and WC, making this home practical for family living. You're in for a treat as the upstairs is equally as impressive, with 2 large bedrooms, and a single bedroom that have been maintained to a good standard. The main family bathroom is also located upstairs. Additional benefits to this property include 1.2 kilowatt electric solar panels, Cat 5e data network cable throughout the property, and off-road parking for 3 cars. The owners have thoroughly enjoyed living at this house and living in Glenfield, as it's full of great local amenities and is conveniently located just off junction 21A of the M1 motorway. In my opinion, this property will make an ideal family home. It's clear to see that the owners haven't held back from renovating this property to a very high standard. If you are interested in arranging a viewing for this property, please don't hesitate to contact us 24/7 on 0116 426 1123. Thank you.